Hello, Scrapbookers. I am back today with another Nicole Jones Scrap-a-Thon page kit. This one is using that first page kit, and I am going to be making a Project Life page. So this layout took me like maybe 20 minutes, or this pocket page, I should say, only took me about 20 minutes, so it's not going to be a very long video. But I did still want to include my process for it so that you could kind of see how I do or how I make my pocket pages when I have tons of photos. And a lot of my summertime pocket pages are going to have tons of photos. And so what I do is I use a lot of phrase stickers, and I mainly just embellish on top of the photos, and it makes the whole pocket page super simple. So this one was from a trip to Yellowstone Bear World, which is close-ish to our home, and my in-laws had decided to come over for a few hours one day during the summer back in 2017, and so we went here. And the boys and I had never been. And so that's why we decided to go here, is because my in-laws were like, what? You guys have lived there for like 15 years and you've never been to this place? And we were like, nope. So the kids and I met up with them there, and we all got in and we walked around. These are the 3 little cubs that they had that had just been born, I think earlier in the spring. And so these are just the photos of the boys watching the cubs play and have fun. And then they were tired towards the end of when we were there. And so they were all napping. And it was just kind of fun to go and watch and see their reactions to all of these animals that we don't normally see because they're not zoo animals, right? At least not in Idaho Falls. I don't know. Maybe your zoos have bears, but ours don't. We have like panda, we have a red panda, and I think some sloth bears, but that's all. So here I'm just writing out and explaining what these photos are with these tile letter stickers. And yeah, that is about it. I'm really happy with how simple and easy this pocket page turned out to be. I think I'm going to add a few more embellishments. That bottom left photo is each one of the 3 cubs had names, and so I took a photo of the little plaque that had their names and everything on it. But that is it. I'm going to come back here in a few seconds and kind of show you the end result.
Hello, Scrapbookers. So I thought it would be kind of fun to show you exactly what I ended up with after using the page kit. So this page kit that I ended up using for my very first layout for the month of October was number 4 that I created. And for this one, I wanted to add teal and pink stickers. I'm not sure what I did with the pink ones. I know that I did bring them over when I was scrapbooking the layout. I have no idea what I did with them because they're not here anymore. But I kind of did that on all of the page kits because I only have so many of these like phrase stickers and alpha tile stickers. So I decided to add what color I wanted to, so I'll just go through the other kits when I get to this one that doesn't have any in them. So I did pull these. I used this one quite a bit. As you can see, I did spell out a few words. I used 4 of the phrase stickers. I used 3 phrase stickers off of here, 1 phrase sticker off of this white one, and then 4 phrase stickers off of this dark navy blue one. I used 1 piece of cardstock. I will actually grab the layouts that I made with this and kind of share with you. So this is the layout that I made, and this was the first thing that I made with this kit. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm thinking I might do a little bit of journaling here and then maybe some mixed media down here because I feel like it's just too starch and blank there. Then I made this as my layout or my project life page. So I did use up a couple of project life cards that I had in this kit, and I used up a lot of chipboard and embellishment stickers and things. This is the second project life page. I used more chipboard stickers, and then this is where I used a lot of the letters and the stickers as well. So those are the 3 layouts that I made with this kit, 2 project life pages and 1 layout. I will actually probably make this into a new kit for another day. So I'm going to leave the papers together, and then what I'm going to do is once I finish using up each kit, I'm going to put all of the embellishments that I didn't use from that kit into this container. And then as I'm making my layouts, if I'm like, oh, I need something, I can go through here and see if I can find something. So I am just going to do that. I'm going to add these into there as well. And these I'm going to put back in their respective kits that I originally had them in. But this is the end of my page kit 4. So this one will more than likely become a page kit number 12 because I made 11 page kits, and I'm thinking that this one could start a new page kit, and yeah, it has so many possibilities. So I'm super duper excited and glad that I am doing this little series. And also I'm really, really happy that I'm taking this class. So if you haven't already, go on over to Nicole Jones's website and check it out. Make sure that you get this Scrap-a-Thon 4 class. It's really awesome. I've really loved it so far this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.